Ganache is a silky smooth chocolate sauce perfect to top any type of cake or slice, and it's super easy to make. First up, thicken cream straight into a pot, about 300 mils, and we want to bring this to the boil. And for the chocolate, 180 grams of premium dark chocolate, and I like to cut the chocolate with a serrated knife. It just makes it so much easier to break up into small pieces. So we'll take it out of the pack. And then gather it together, turn it around, and the smaller the pieces are, the faster it'll melt. Great. Now that goes into a bowl. And then we're just going to pour this hot cream directly over the dark chocolate. Now with a spoon, we're going to mix this and watch the magic happen. You'll see this chocolate melt into the cream to form this silky smooth, glorious chocolate sauce. And that is the chocolate ganache done. Now you can serve this warm, or if you want it to be a little firmer, just let it cool at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes.